Hello everyone. Today I'm sharing the process of assembling and decorating a birthday cake. Let's ice this birthday cake. The cake layers have already been baked and allowed to cool. I'm using a 14-inch cake board to comfortably support this cake. To secure the base layer, I apply a dab of buttercream directly onto the board. This acts like glue to keep it from shifting. This cake consists of 5 layers, each 8 inches in diameter and 3 inches tall. I spread buttercream between each layer, stacking them carefully and ensuring everything is straight and leveled. Next, I insert a dowel rod through the center of the cake all the way down to the board. I prefer using PVC dowels made specifically for cakes, not the regular plumbing ones. You can also use wooden or thick straw dowels. Before icing, I trim the sides and top of the cake to ensure it's even and smooth. Time to ice. I begin with a crumb coat. This thin layer of icing seals in any loose crumbs and gives structure to the cake. It also provides a smooth base for the final layers. Now I prepare the colors for the final coats. I'll be working with white and pink buttercream for this design. Using a piping bag, I apply the second layer of icing. As I apply it, I rotate the turntable smoothly and consistently to ensure even coverage. Apply the pink icing around the middle. Followed with white icing above and below, blending the two colors slightly for a beautiful radiant effect. I also add a final layer of white icing on top. Using a cake comb, I smooth the side and shape the icing. Again, smooth and consistent movement is key, both with the comb and the turntable. Here is the cake after all the final decorative touches. The final looks of my daughter's beautiful birthday cake. I hope you enjoyed watching the process. Don't forget to like, share and follow for more cake decorative tutorials and baking tips.